We packed 12 pairs of shoes and wore flip-flops the whole time. We almost got off the ship without our key cards, and we found a private deck where we had the sunset toast completely alone.
Halló!
Já.
Það ekki? Komum við trillt yfirvaraskjögg.
Já.
Þetta gaman.
Það var geggjað.
We got back from our very first cruise and we learned a lot. So here are 10 cruise hacks for first-timers that saved us a lot of money, stress, and maybe our marriage. We are just two travelers in our 50s that finally tried cruising. We didn't want to overpay, we didn't want to overpack, and we definitely did not want to miss the fun. We made some mistakes, but we also found brilliant hacks that made this trip unforgettable. If you love joyful travel and smart savings, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want the first access to new videos, behind the scenes, and more, join our email list. The link is in the description. Don't pay for the buffet excursion. We almost paid $99 per person to be bused at a crowded beach. Instead, we found $7 taxi and had the beach to ourselves. Same sunset, better lunch. The carpet will save you. We spent the first 2 days getting lost on our ship. Then we realized the secret. Ég held þessi meini mig að bara sléttatönnum hérna.
Aha.
Held það, en það hljópa að komast yfir á milli.
Jesus, sko ef ég hef ekki eftir að týnast hérna, ef ég kem ekki heim, þá vitið að ég er týnd.
Like Norwegian cruises, the fish in the carpet always swim forward. And if you follow the fish, you are moving forward, so you have to try to find the secret at the cruise ship you are sailing on. Bring the wine. It's allowed. Yes, really. If you're not on all-inclusive cruise, then on many ships you can take 1 wine bottle per adult. Free and legal. No bar tab, pure joy. We got all these tips, and if you want first access to new videos, behind the scenes and more, join our email list. The link is in the description. Inside cabin, outside mindset. You can save a lot by booking the cheapest cabin on the ship. Inside cabin. And it's perfect. Why? You are never in the room. You can save so much and spend it on spa treatments, sushi, and drinks. Track the price drops, even after booking. Prices change all the time. We booked at $1,350, then we saw it drop to $1,100. We called and got $250 back. Free money. Facebook groups are cruise cheat codes. Before you sail, search your ship and date on Facebook. We saved $217 on shore excursion thanks to one post in the group, and made some new friends before we boarded. Board early, relax later. We were sipping drinks by noon. Meanwhile, people were still lining up. Get the earliest check-in you can. You basically gain a bonus vacation day. Yep, almost 1 extra day. Cheap cruise prices. We found that amazing cheap price cruise website. Vacation to go. If you want to save money, you should check this website out. Vacation to go. It's a must-visit web before you book a cruise. They track you. Yep, it's wild. Your medallion, your face, your card, cruise lines track everything. We were offered a drink before we even ordered it, because they knew our last one. Bid on a cabin upgrade before you sail. You can pay $120 and get balcony cabin worth $900. It feels like winning the cruise lottery. Worst case, you keep your original room. We are still beginners, but these tips made us feel like a cruise pros, and it made the whole trip even more joyful. Subscribe and like if you want more smart travel without the stress. And if you want first access to new videos, behind the scenes and even more, join our email list. The link is in the description. We would love to have you with us. See you next week.